Valentine's Day is fast approaching, and it is time to come up with a small favor or card your child can hand out to friends and classmates. These heart pencil Valentine favors are a great candy-free alternative, and the pencil can be used long after the holiday is over. To make the heart pencil, you will need pencils, red felt, pen, scissors, a paper scissor and a fabric scissor, white paper, double-sided adhesive tape, ruler, cookie cutter, old greeting card. To make a heart template for this project, take a cookie cutter and trace around the cookie cutter. If you do not have a heart-shaped cookie cutter, you can cut it out, a heart shape, out of a piece of paper, and then just trace it onto some cardstock. After you have traced it on, cut out your heart shape. After you have it cut out, trace your template onto a piece of red felt. Cut out the felt heart. Fold the heart lengthwise and cut 2 little slits in the heart. This is where the pencil will be inserted. Cut a strip of paper a 1/2 inch wide and write something on the paper such as Happy Valentine, You're All Right, Right on Valentine, Happy Valentine's Day, and don't forget to put your name on the front or the back. Then we're going to make this a little shorter, so I'm going to cut it right here. With double-sided adhesive tape, put a small strip right on the back. Now, I forgot to mention, when you start to write this, make sure you're about 1 inch in from the end. Wrap this around the pencil. And because it's double stick, it'll stick together. Then insert the pencil into the heart. And the heart pencil favor is complete. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and share with friends. You can keep up with us by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Also, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. To follow us, just click the iCard or the link in the description below. Also, go to our website, needlepointers.com, for lots of Valentine's Day crafts. Happy Valentine's Day!